I just received a package from Cambridge. I did not know this was coming, and I hoped I would get something from them, but so anyway, I'm going to do a quick unboxing to show what this is. I don't know what it is. I suspect that it is a diadem, but I don't know that for a fact, and also don't know what model they sent, if that's what it is. So let's see what we got here. It is a diadem, an NASB diadem in brown calfskin leather. I had no idea what they were sending. I was hoping to see this. Let's do a quick glance at it and then I'll work on my review. Almost always afraid to use a knife on this plastic. Set that aside. I love their boxes. They've done an amazing job with these boxes. Oh wow. Let's see here. Nice. So that's a smooth grain. I love that size. That's perfect. There are the specs. Let's take a look here. Here's how I handle my boxes. I like to turn them over like that. Make myself a little stand. If it'll hold, sometimes it doesn't. This is new. Pretty. That's a good hand-sized Bible right there. That is excellent. Red letter. The red doesn't stand out. That could be good, actually. So that's the new NASB Diadem. So I'm going to be reviewing this. I'm going to use it for a little while and break it in. Carry it around. The leather is interesting. It's smooth. Soft at the same time. Then it looks like the synthetic liner. Yeah, I like that. 3 ribbons. So I will use this for a while. So stay tuned for the review. And my thanks to Cambridge for sending this. The NASB Diadem.